Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the beautiful pattern we are going to learn to knit today. This is very new and unique pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies sweater, baby sweater, gent sweater, baby's blanket, ladies shawl, scarf. You can knit this in your any project. See, this is very beautiful and easy to knit. This is one repeat pattern, this is 12 rows repeat pattern, this is 6 rows and this is half 6 rows, 6 plus 6, 12 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast in multiples of 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 and then plus 4 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. See? Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast in multiples of 6 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 12 plus 4 extra stitch 16 and 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern knit 2, before you start the repeat, first you are gonna do knit 2 and now start the repeat after these 3 stitch. For repeat pattern knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, that's the repeat. Knit 2, purl 2 and knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here, from here to here after these 3 stitch. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 2, purl 2 and knit 2. We have done 2 repeats from here to here, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 3 stitch knit 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 wrong side, knit on stitch and purl stitch. So slip your first edge stitch on the wrong side and then start the repeat from here. First purl 2 and then you will start the repeat, purl 2. And now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2. Now last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 3. For row 3 knit edge row 1, edge stitch, knit, slip your edge stitch and then start the repeat. First knit 2 and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, knit 2, purl 2 and knit 2. That's the repeat. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. And the last 3 stitch knit 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, knit edge row 2, slip your edge stitch and purl 2, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2. Again, purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2. The last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, purl. Now row 5. On row 5, your edge stitch, slip on the right side, and now start the repeat from here. We're going to start from here after the edge stitch. So for repeat pattern, we're going to draw a loop from this 4th and 5th hole, from this knit stitch and purl stitch. We're going to insert our right hand needle here and then draw a loop from here like so, and then after this, for this stitch, for this 4 stitch, knit 1, knit 1, purl 2 and knit 1. For this 4 stitch, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and after this, these 2 purl stitch, knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Draw a loop, and from these 4 stitch, knit 1, purl 2, draw, knit 1 and then knit 2. Repeat that again. Draw a loop from here and then from this 4, knit 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2 and knit 1 and then knit 2. We have done 2 repeats, and last 5 stitch, 4 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. For the last 5 stitch, draw a loop from here, this after this 4th stitch, and knit 1, purl 2 and knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side, row 6 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1, knit 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl these 2 together through the back loop, these 2 together through the back loop like so. See, not through the front loop, through the back loop. Purl 2 together through the back loop and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. After these 3 stitch, knit 1, purl 2 together through the back loop and then purl 3. Again, repeat that again. Repeat that again. We have done 1 repeat. We have 1 more repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 2 together through the back loop and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and then knit 1. We have done 2 repeats, and a last 2, 4 stitch, knit 1, purl 2 together through the back loop and edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 7, we have done half of the repeat here, and next half of the repeat we are going to knit this pattern here in between of these 2, here and here. So row 7, your edge stitch, knit through slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. First you're going to do knit 1 and purl 1, and then you will start the repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. After this 3 stitch, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then purl 1. Last 3 stitch, purl 1, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, wrong side, slip your edge stitch and then purl 1, knit 1, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 1. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 1. And the last 3 stitch, knit 1, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Now row 9. For row 9 and row 10, we're gonna knit edge row 7 and 8. So row 9, knit edge row 7, edge stitch slip, knit 1, purl 1, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 4, purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then purl 1. And last 3 stitch, purl 1, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 10, wrong side, edge stitch slip, and then purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 4, knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 1. Last 3 stitch, knit 1, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Row 11. For row 11, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, you're gonna draw a loop from here, and from this 4 stitch, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and this one purl stitch, knit. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, draw a loop from this 4 stitch, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and then knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, draw a loop from here and knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, and then knit 1. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 12, last row, slip your edge stitch, purl 2, and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2 together. Purl these 2 together through the back loop. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2 together. Sorry, one more stitch, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2 together, purl 1. Again, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2 together through the back loop, and purl 1. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat these 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.